Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can set up your home screen just like this on this mobile. See, this is the Android mobile. This works on any mobile, okay? First of all, this is Motorola mobile. And see here, this is the live wallpaper you can see. So this takes a bit of customization. I'll be telling you step by step, okay? If you see, there are two icons, YouTube and Instagram, but I have changed the icons. So all these things you can also do. So let us get into the video from the scratch. So basically, if this is the starting state before customization, what you can do is first you need to add different widgets on your home screen to make it look appealing, aesthetic, or more beautiful. To add any widget on the home screen, just press and hold for few seconds. Then you will get this option called widgets. Tap on this widgets, and under widgets you will get all the widgets which are related to the apps. Say for example, color widgets. This is the app what I have used to customize all the home screen what you have just few seconds ago. So likewise, click on widgets. Just for the productivity purpose, I'll be adding Google Gemini AI for the faster access. I'll be choosing Google Gemini AI and drag and drop on the empty space of your home screen. So whatever the widgets you like, whatever you feel those are useful, you can keep it on the home screen. Now we'll look at the look and feel. Later we'll see the productivity. Open the Google Play Store and just search for this widget called cute widgets or color widget from iWidgets. Okay, so yeah, I need to search it in a different way. Actually, this is color widgets, so I need to search it like open Play Store again. This time I'll be searching something like color widgets from iWidgets. Okay, where is this in the list? Yeah, this one, color widgets from iWidgets. So click on this. This is already installed, so I'll be opening this. One thing on this app is this is for free, but you need to watch video ads in order to get those good looking themes or live wallpapers or the widgets. So there is already an ad displayed, so I'll be closing this ad. Okay, so these are different themes available. This is where I got the what is this live wallpaper theme. So I'll be choosing to cute for this tutorial. I'll be choosing the first one. So tap on this which you want, and there is a video ad playing. So this is for only first time, okay? No need to watch every time. Once you get this on your home screen, there won't be any ads or something. This is for the first time, so I'm unlocking this wallpaper. Click on unlock. There will be ad displayed. So once you watch that, you can close that and you can apply it to your home screen. So this gives the aesthetic look. So according to your taste and preference, you can choose whatever the style or themes you want. See here, this is for your apps. As I said, I changed the YouTube and Instagram, right? Say for example, if I want YouTube, click on this unlock so that YouTube app look and feel will completely get changed. So click on unlocks, the same procedure. You need to watch an ad and close it and install. Click on add. So it is successfully added on my home screen. Let us check that. See here, as soon as I did that, YouTube with app icon changed. So you'll completely have a different look and feel. Say for example, assume one of your friends have taken your mobile and just watches your home screen. They'll be really surprised to see this beautifully customized home screen. So this would be completely depends upon your creativity, your taste and your preference, so that you can make your home screen look beautiful. You can make, see here, these are the widgets. the second option, at the bottom you can click on widgets and choose whichever widget you want. Tap on that and same, watch an video ad, close that and click on add widget. Okay, it is asking for the notification permission because this is a music player. For notification required widgets, it will ask for the notification purpose, but for other widgets there is no need. See, this music player has been added. I am just dragging and dropping it on the home screen, but there is no enough space on the home screen. What I need to do, I just need to remove some of the widgets already available on the home screen, then I can drag and drop it on the main home screen. This will be shown whenever you play some music. See now, with different icon setup, with different widgets, my home screen is looking pretty much good. So in this way you can have the best setup on your home screen of your Android or even for the iPhone mobiles. If you like this video, please to hit a like. If you do have any other question, just ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.